Hello world. Finally, I got a chance to test the range of my Mini 3, and I must say that it was an absolute pleasure for me to fly this thing all the way. I could. Um, this 249-gram drone has amazing capabilities. So, big thumbs up to DJI here. The location of this flight is in the town of Ajax, Ontario, Canada, and I am flying between the Taunton Road and Kingston Road. Actually, I think I almost covered all of the ground in between, which is really mind blowing for a small drone to do. And by the time I reached back, I still had some juice left in my battery to try out some of the quick shots over my kids. As you can see here, we have a strong wind warning, and it was a bit windy. I had to lower my altitude a bit to get rid of that warning, and it's still windy. You can probably notice from the speed that I'm going above 16 meters per second. Although I had the drone in sports mode, but I was being pushed by the wind, I would say, and hence the speed. So if you watch this video to the end, you'll notice that this drone, um, I was a bit struggling due to wind. Speed of the drone was really low, and I'll be just commentating on that part as well. But in the distance, you can see the Westney Heights Plaza and the Kingston Road and the Westney Road intersection. Again, we have the strong wind warning, and I've just touched 2.3 kilometers. And I mean, like, this is just so amazing to fly out so far away, and I can't ask for anything better. Like, what do I need to do after 2.5 kilometers even? So here we are touching 2.6 and 2.650. I think that I'm pretty satisfied with that much. I don't need to go around further. What do I need to do? Spy on another country? I mean, this is really amazing for a hobby drone if you want to make short videos or just to explore a bit around. I think that's pretty much it. It's quite awesome coverage, and could have gone far. As you could see from the signals, they were still at the full strength, and you can see the speed. It's a bit lower than what we had on the journey towards south. Now we are going back towards north, towards the Taunton Road. Touching the 2 kilometer mark. It's a lovely green city, lots of trees around. here you see it's really struggling. It's not me stopping, but it's as I'm going against the wind. It's just hovering around 3-5 kilometers per second. But even then it's doing pretty good job, and as we come closer the wind speeds drop. There were some gusts around, so that's why probably in the middle we had a lower speed, but as soon as that's gone it starts to pick up. And also you can see how smooth the camera is. Just crossing the Roseland Road. Flying over my kids' school, Savemi Ridge Public School. If you are here watching this video planning to buy DJI Mini 3 Pro, let me know what you think of the range and what are your expectations, how far are you thinking to fly. In case you already have this, do let me know how far have you been or have you taken this drone. I hope you like this range test, and for more drone videos please subscribe to the channel. This is where I'll be landing. Thanks for watching.